Guys, welcome back once again to watch Images. What I do in this channel is I teach people how to make money online. I also make research for you guys. If you have any question, my WhatsApp link is in the description of this video. You can know where to contact me. Actually, you guys requested for this video. I'm going to show you how the strategy you can use for you to buy cryptocurrency without meeting a merchant on Binance. Yes, without transferring, because some of you guys are afraid of this merchant that when you transfer money to them, they will not release your crypto or they will not release it fast, something of that nature. So, in this video, I'm going to show you simple way you can do it without risk. You can do it yourself and you can see it yourself. So, I'm going to show you in this video how you can do it. You're not going to use your card. The only thing is you need verification. When you want to verify, you need to be verified first. Then you can use your bank transfer to transfer money to the app. Then from there you buy cryptocurrency and send it to Binance. As simple as that. So I'm going to show you in this video. So the app we are going to use is Cheaper Cash. That's what we are going to use. Let me wait for it to load so that I can show you everything here. Let me wait for it to load. I'm going to go to my profile. Let me show you everything you need to know. If I hit my profile right here, all the things I was doing, I was just testing both the card and everything that is here. As you can see here, you can see that this is my account number and this is the name of the bank. If I click on share, you're going to see account number, bank name. This is a bank name, so you can see it. You can do a transfer to this place and your money will enter here. Or if you want to add cash with your card, debit card, you click on add cash, you put your debit card and save it, then you can use it to add money instant to this place. So and here again, if you want to cash out, you click on cash out, then you put the amount that you have there. You type in the bank you want to do. You can still add another bank. If you want to add. So if you want to use this one, you just put the amount, you click on cash out, and you can see this transaction is free. You can cash out, get your money out from here. So and if you check here again, you see that I'm verified. You can see it, my status, I'm verified. So you need to verify yourself first. That's the first thing you need to do. So let me show you how to do it here. So what you're going to do is, when you deposit money here, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to invest right here. You can see invest right here. You click on it and you're going to click on crypto, and you're going to see the coins that are here that you can use. I would prefer you use USD, because the change of the rate change, the rate that that coin changes is not much. So if you buy at 601.67, after everything the changes will not be much. But if you're using BTC, it can change anytime. If you use 20,000 to buy the BTC, before you transfer it to Binance, the rate has reduced, so you are not going to get the same amount of money you use in buying it. So I prefer you use USD coin. That is USDC. That is what I want you to use. So if you have money here, you are going to click on buy. Then you put the amount you want to use. If it is 5,000 or 50,000, you click on next, and you will see the amount you are going to have. You are going to see cheaper cash fee. They are not going to charge you. You can see total cost 50,000. You can see it right here. So you click on buy and you are going to buy. So if you buy, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to click on send. You are going to click on send. You enter amount that you have, that is 83 or something of that nature, point something, 0.5 or 0.2 or 3 or 1.2. Okay, whichever way, you put the address here, your address, and you click send. Instantly it will go to Binance. If you just copy your USDC from Binance, you just go. Let me open my Binance and show you what I'm saying. Let me wait for it to load. Let me wait for it to load. Remember, this is not for arbitrage. For people that would think you can use it for arbitrage, you're not going to use it for arbitrage. It's not going to work. It's not going to be profitable. So you can see USDC. Let me search for it. Let me search for USDC. I think network. Let me refresh it again. Okay. Let me start from the beginning. If you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, it will notify you and you can be the first to jump into it and do the right thing at the right time. So I'm going to click on trades. I think everything should be okay. I'm going to click on I'm going to click on this coin and let me type USDC. I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, you can see USDC here. You can see USDC here /USDT. Can you see it right here? So if you buy it, you are going to come over here. You just go to wallet, you click on deposit, then search for USDC. You can see it right here. USDC. You can see. You copy your address. You're not using this one. Look at the one you are using. You copy this one. You click on copy. Then you come over here. Let me wait for it to load. Let me open it again so that I'll get the result I want. So I'm going to go to invest here, right here. I'm going to click on invest. I'm going to click on invest. Let me wait for it to load. Okay, invest. I'm going to click on crypto and click on USD coin and click on send, and I can paste the address here. You can see it. I put the amount I want. You can see it. I don't have anything. That is why it's not showing anything here. I can put the amount I want to send. 83 or 0.5 or 0.6, anyone. So you just click it and you can send it to Binance, and Binance will accept it, and you can use it to buy any other coin you want to buy. Do your trading the way you want to do it. Yes, you can use it to do your trading the way you want to do it. Now, if you still want to receive your money, or if you have any of this coin on Binance, look at the coin they are accepting. Any of this coin on Binance, or if you have any coin at all, you can change it to USDC, because USDC is actually coin that doesn't change. It doesn't change like that. The changes is not much, so you can change it to USDC and send it back here if you want to cash it out. For those in Nigeria, or I'm teaching those because those are the people that ask me this question are mainly those in Nigeria. You can also use it if you are in Ghana, and also use the same process. You can see if you want to receive your USDC from Binance here, you can click on receive here. Let me wait for you. You can see the address. You can see the address here. You just copy it, send it to Binance as you come here, and then you click on sell. You click on sell. Then you put the amount of USD coin that you have, and then you will sell it off. So that is how this app works. So thanks for watching. I will still share another update. There are many features in this app. I'm still going to share to you another update you are going to be making a lot of money from. So thanks for watching. Remember to stay safe and stay tuned. I'll be sharing awesome videos right here in this channel. Thanks for watching.